In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps section available here. Now you need to click on Choose Default Apps at the top. And finally, select one of those sections you wanna manage. I want to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app. Tap on the one I wanna apply, which in this case is Chrome. And select the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. You can do exactly the same with all of those other sections. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!